Gold respecting the support levels at 1920 has bounced back since then and now trading at 1931. Likewise, US crude specifically has achieved 82.5 now. So what to expect next with the US session? Is it going to rise more or we can see a drop? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First we'll look into gold followed with crude oil. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, note down the levels, and yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start. First we'll look into the hourly charts and see on the hourly charts. If you look at couple of observations here, 1920, 1920, a little below 1920 here, as just like this candle, and once again 1920. So 1920 has proven out to be a good support here. Now look at this here, lower highs were seen. Now only if it trades above 1935, you can expect that we may see 1938 and 40 as the maximum resistance zone. This zone is going to be very strong resistance zone, and if it trades beyond 1940, you can expect that we are looking forward to another round of good rise, which might take it till towards 1945-50 levels. That is the first part. Now see why here it has consolidated very strongly in between 20-25 levels, and since then it has shown a good rise. Now once again, if you see it sailing below, trading below 25, you can sell, but then expect 1920 and below levels again. So sell at 1925 levels and buy at 35. This should be a good trading strategy. On the upside, you should be cautious till 1940 levels. Now look, direction movement is bearish. Stochastic has come to overbought zone. The MACD has crossed over. This is trading with divergence. This is trading bullish. This is looking upwards here. RSI is also looking upwards here. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, now look at the 2-hour charts and see, this was the channel in which it was trading, and this is probably giving a breakout here. That is my understanding. Probably it may try to take it a little higher till towards 1940 levels, and in fact it can form a double top here at 1950 also. There is a possibility exists, and hence with the stop loss at 1930 you can buy, and a safe entry is only about 1935. Direction movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic looking upwards here. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge, crossover again. And if you look at the RSI, this is also looking upwards here. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, as we saw, lower highs, higher lows, trying to look upwards. Possibly we may see 1940, and in fact it can trade above 1940 also. Directional movement bearish, stochastic rising, the MACD trying to converge, crossover for the buy entry, RSI trading flat. And look at the 4-hour charts. See, higher lows are seen here, and after showing the higher lows, you can see that this is shown a reversal candle. Also, this candle is trying to break past on the upside. Once it trades above 1935, you can stay long for 1938-40 zone, and beyond that further bullishness can be observed. So good safe entry at 1935. Those who want to enter now can trade with a stop loss at 1930 levels. Direction movement bearish. Stochastic has seen a bottom, trying to rise here. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge a bit. RSI trying to trade flat. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. Now see, in the morning analysis we did see that there could be a possibility that it can drop till towards this zone or this zone. This is the second red candle. So see, one red candle, this is the peak here, this is the second candle, almost of the same levels. And now if it tries to drop below 1920, we can see 1910 giving it a very strong support. So below 1925, yes, you can sell, and you can expect 1920, 1915 and in fact 1910 levels. In fact, it can breach 1910 also. There is a possibility adjust for that. So simple, sell below 1925 without hesitation, and till 1920 you have to be very cautious, as it can bounce back again. Below 1920 it can give you little more bearishness. At the same time, above 1930 levels, yes, there could be a little rise. First target at 1935, next at 1940. Only if it breaks beyond 1940 you can expect further rise, but remember 1950 is the ceiling which it should not break. If it breaks further, bullishness might take it anywhere. These are markets beyond you and me. Now on the daily charts also, if you look at, you will find that here at 1905, this is the 20 period moving average, which is a very strong support now. Directional movement, trading with moderately bullish bias. Stochastic has seen a little drop. The MACD has crossed over. This is trading with divergence. This appears to be trading bearish here. RSI is also cooled down. Considering this, sell at 25, buy at 35. On the upside, you should be alert of 1938-40 zone. Very strong resistance lies at 40. Beyond that, we can see it hitting 44-45, and then beyond that, we can see it hitting 1950. Beyond 50, sky is the limit. I don't think so that it is going to happen. And you can sell at 1925 levels, below which you can expect 20, 15, 10. Till 10 it is fine, and 1905, this is also very good support level as 20 period moving average sits there. Take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at crude oil. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The next batch, that is the 19th batch, starts on 6th of February. Reach out to me for more details. Do not miss this opportunity. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly chart for crude oil. See, yesterday also I told you, today also I told you that beyond 82 we can see 82.5, 82.6 levels. Now yes, 82.6, if it breaks you can buy again, and you can expect that it has reversed. Then we may see very strong bullish candle which might take it for 83.5, 84 levels. Now look at the hourly chart. This is consistently trading outside the Bollinger Bands, indicating increased bullishness. 81.5, 81.4 is the support level now. So only if you see it trading below this zone at 81.2, rather I will say, you can confirm that it is trying to trade bearish, else possibly it can bounce back. So now if you see it trading above 82.6, stay long in oil, and possibly you can expect 83, 83.5 levels. Directional movement is bullish here. The stochastic is overbought on the hourly charts. The MACD is divergent and bullish, looking upwards here. And the RSI is also into the overbought zone. Now look at the 2-hour chart. See, on the 2-hour charts, you can see this is the third time it is trying to attempt and break past 82.6 levels. Now if it breaks past, certainly we can see very good bullish momentum. But look at the candles here. On the downside, you can find that yes, it is trying to trade in this. On the upside, 83 is the target. And on the downside, you can find there is a good support at 81.5, 81.2 levels, and below which you can expect little bearishness. Look at the 2-hour charts also. This candle, this previous candle and this candle, see the smaller size indicating the lack of bullish strength here, and hence it needs a powerful candle to break out and trade bullish, and hence you can buy above 82.6 levels. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is trading near to the highs there. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now on the 3-hour charts, it's a classical megaphone pattern here, and now it is trying to retrace. So possibly if it continues to trade on the downside, see, first expectation, let me show you something here. If you connect the lows from here, if you connect the highs from here, the highs are above 83 and 83.5 level, the lows here at 81.5 and 81.2 levels. Yes, it could possibly retrace. However, 82, 81.5 and then 81.2 levels are going to be a very good support. Directional movement exceedingly divergent and bearish, stochastic overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish here. This is directional movement is bullish, MACD is bullish, RSI is trading near to the highs. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, remember this fact, this is the first breakout candle which was there the previous candle. Now either it could, and look at these candles here, 4 candles very beautifully aligned, very beautifully positioned here, indicating that it is not willing to go down, and hence 81.2 and 81 is the level below which you can expect little bearishness. Now 82.6, if it breaks, we can again expect a good rise, and then we can target for 83, 83.5, and beyond that sky is the limit on the upside. Directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic looking upwards, showing bullishness. The MACD has crossed over. This is trading divergent and this is trading bullish. Probably it can continue. See, the shape shows it can continue to increase, and hence little more bullishness can be seen. The RSI trading near to the high. This is on the 4-hour charts. Let's have a look at the daily charts. See, on the daily charts, first thing is previous 3 candles, lower highs and higher lows were seen. This is trying to break out, and hence possibly we may see it trading above 82.6, which might take it for 83, 83.5 levels. Possibility adjust. Now also look at this. On the downside, it is giving it a support. Now it is trading with the support from the 100 period moving average situated at around 81.5 levels. So yes, if you see it trading below 81.5, you can sell, then expect 81.2, 81, 80.8, and below that till 80 it has got very strong support. Directional movement is bullish. Stock IST looking up, the MACD trading with little divergence, trading bullish, RSI trying to look up here. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 82.6, expect 83, 83.5 levels are the targets. Beyond that, sky is the limit for 84, 85 levels. On the downside, you can sell here at 81.5 and then below 81.5 till 81.2 you have to be cautious and alert till it trades above 81.2 and 81 levels. Below 81 you can expect 80.4 and 80 levels. Till 80 also I will not consider oil as bearish. Remember, till $80 levels I will not consider oil as bearish. Yes, it can retrace a bit, however do not consider this as bearish. Even if it tries to retrace, it can possibly come back again till towards 81.5 levels. For the day, 81.5 is going to be the key pivot. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group, reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.